Hello everyone and welcome to this channel and exciting series. In today's video, we are going to embark on a journey to explore the basics, elements and commands of Shell Linux. So let's get started. For the first step, we are going to open a terminal. As you see, when you open a terminal normally, you will find yourself in the user directory. The user directory in my computer is in the name Kali. So let's get started with the simplest and most basic command, and it is pwd or present working directory. This basic command tells you where are you exactly in the file system currently located. Like here, if we use pwd, it will say that we are in Kali, that is my user directory. But if we open another terminal in another directory, like we will use templates for open a terminal in templates, if we use the same order, it will give us a different result, and it will say that we are in templates, not in Kali. Actually show you the whole complete link of directory we are using. Now to the second command, that it is cd, or we call it change directory. Change directory is a simple command that help you to move from a directory to another. Like in this terminal, here we are in the user directory. If we want to go to the desktop directory, we write cd, then we write desk. If we press, we will move to desktop. To see the result most clear, we will use pwd again, and it will say that we are currently in desktop and not in user directory. If we want to go a step back, for example, if we want to go back to Kali, we can do cd, then we use 2 points. 2 points will help us to go to the previous directory we were in. And as it is here, it is the user directory. If we use it again, if we want to move, like if we open various, like if we open again, like desk. And also we want to go back directly to the user directory, we can only write cd without adding anything, and it will directly take us to the user directory. This is the second one. For the next order, we are going to see how to make files and how to make directories. We are going to work in a terminal in the desktop directory. First, let's check my desktop. As you see, there is only one directory and one file. To begin with, let's start with how to make a directory. To make a directory, we use the order mkdir, or make a directory. We use this order, we can make a directory. We only have to add the directory name. Let's name it first. We go back to the desktop, and as you see, we have here the directory first. Also, for mkdir, we can make multiple directories in the same time, like 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, for example. And then if we go back to the desktop, we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To make a file, not a directory, we use the command touch. We write the name my first, and then click on enter. And we go back to the desktop, we see my first in the desktop. And also for touch, we can make multiple ones in the same time, like 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. If we press enter, we will find all these directories, all these files in the desktop. To remove or delete a directory or a file, we use the command remove, rm. If we use rm, then we decided to delete a file, like let's delete 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then we press enter. We go back. We found that the files we make earlier are not in the desktop anymore. And if we want to remove a directory like 1, and we click enter, it will say remove cannot remove 1. It is a directory. To remove a directory, we add the flag R. Then we write the name of the directory. We go back to the desktop. As you see, the directory 1 is gone. If we want to delete everything, for example, we want to delete every file, we use remove it will show us the question, are you sure you want to delete all the 8 files in the desktop? Use Y, this means N, and it will say that 2, 3, 4, and 5 are not our directories, so it can't be removed. But if we go back, we will see that the file mine and the rest of the files are removed. And now let's talk about the command that allow us to see what is in our directory, and it is the ls command. If we use the ls command, we can see every directory we have in our directory. Like in here, if we use ls and then click enter, we have only 2 directories. First and file. We try and open a folder or something in here, like let's create a folder and name it U, for example. Then we create it. Then we go back here and we use ls. It will show us the new folder that we add in our directory. Now, there are various flags we can use with ls, like ls, lh. This one, it will show us some details about every file and directory we have in our terminal. Like in here, we have 3 files. As you see, this one here is the user permission, and this is the username, and here it is the
size of the document, and here the last time we made the changes on the document. We can also use ls minus a minus key, and it will show us the same too. There are also ls minus a. It will show us if there are any hidden files or documents, and here we see we don't have any hidden or unseen files. Now we move to the next order, that it is copy a file. If we want to copy a file, we use the order C. We use the order CP, we can copy any file, like we can say CP or copy the file U, then we add the path where we want you to be copied. Like here, I want to copy you in my user directory. If we press enter, can't do it because it is not a file, but it is a directory. So we write here minus r. And if we move to user directory and use ls, we see that u has moved to here. And we can also use the command move. We use the command move, we can also move a file or a directory from one to another. Like if we use move mv, then write the name of the file, like file, then say we here, then if we go there and use ls, as you can see, file is also has moved to user directory. Thank you all for watching this video, and wait for us in the next video.